Students.
Good morning. Good morning, students. Like today, discuss about classification of bases. So bases the three types. One is based on the acidity. Next one based on concentration. Third one based on ionization. So now we discuss about based on the acidity. So based on acidity, three part. One is a monoacetic base, second one diacetic base, third one triacetic base. The base that ionized in water to give one hydroxide ion per molecule. So you see, again I will tell that monoacetic base. It is a base that ionized in the water to give one hydroxide ion per molecule. Example NaOH, KOH. Okay, so next diacetic base means the base ionized in the water give two hydroxide ions per molecule. Okay, so example of CaOH to MaOH2. Okay, example. So next triacetic base. The triacetic base, the base it is ionized in the water. The base ionized in the water gives 3 hydroxide ions per molecule. Okay, so example of AlOH3, FeOH3. Okay, next one based on concentration. The concentrated alkyl, it is the alkyl having a relatively high percentage of the alkyl in its aqueous solution. It is a aqueous solution. The alkyl, the aqueous solution is a high percentage of the alkyl. Aqueous solution la high percentage of alkyl irundha, that is a concentrate alkyl. Okay, next dilute alkyl. Dilute alkyl means it is on alkyl having a relatively low percentage of the alkyl in the aqueous solution. So the simple only one is what means. So first one concentrates alkyl means aqueous solution la high percentage of the alkyl irukano. High percentage of the alkyl aqueous solution la irunduchuna adu concentrates alkyl. Okay, so high solution. So next dilute alkyl means aqueous solution la the alkyl is a low percentage irukano. Low percentage of the alkyl in the aqueous solution means that is dilute alkyl. Okay, concentrate alkyl means aqueous solution la high percentage of the alkyl irukano. Dilute solution la aqueous solution dilute alkyl na aqueous solution la low percentage of the alkyl irukano. Okay va. So next based on ionization. So based on ionization two part. One is strong and weak. Strong and weak. You see that the base. These are bases which ionize completely in the aqueous solutions. Aqueous solution la complete ionized iron. Full ionized iron. That is a strong base. So weak base partially only ionized in the aqueous solution. Weak base la partially in the aqueous solution. Other partially ionized in the aqueous solution. Okay, base partially ionized in the aqueous solution. So strong means completely ionized in the base which ionized completely in the aqueous solution. Okay, are you understood the classification of bases? Very easy. Three only. One is based on the acidity. Next one is based on the concentration. Third one is based on ionization. Okay. So acidity, concentration, ionization. So next property of base. The property of bases, they have bitter taste. They have bitter taste. The taste is a bitter. Okay. Their aqueous solution has soapy touch. Soapy touch means vazhavazhappa irukkirathu. Okay, their aqueous solutions have the soapy touch. The litmus tall, you know that litmus tall, two type of the litmus tall. Litmus paper, the two types of the litmus paper. One is a red and another one is a blue. Yes. So next one Yeah, so now you see that they turn red litmus blue. The red litmus you are touch to the base means immediately the red litmus change to the blue. Okay, red litmus change to the blue. The aqueous solution conduct electricity. Okay, aqueous solutions conduct electricity. The bases react with the metal to form the salt which liberate of the hydrogen gas. The base react with the metals. Base react with the metal to form a salt with the liberation of the hydrogen gas. It's a form of the salt and liberation of the hydrogen gas. Okay, I understood. Next one. Next, base react with the non-metallic acids. Non-metallic acids. The base react with the non-metallic acids to produce the salt and the water. First, the base react with the metal. Metal oda react பண்ணும்போது its form of the salt and the liberation of hydrogen gas. Okay. So again the base react with the non-metallic acids. Non-metallic acid react பண்ணும்போது to produce salt and water. Since similarly to the reaction between the base and acid, we can concluding that non-metallic acid are the acidic nature. Acidic nature. Okay, I understood. So next one, bases react with the acids to form salt and water. So base react with the acid. The base react with the acid. As base acid oda react ஆகும்போது its form of the salt and water. So next one, on heating with the ammonium salts, base is given ammonia gas. So ammonium salt heat panna enna aagum, change to the ammonia gas. Okay, now we are going to the one experiment. Already I told to here the property of the bases, their aqueous solutions conduct electricity. Aqueous solution conduct to the electricity.